with it. I'm just gonna roll with no hits, do it all the time. If the flow is bogus, I don't even mind, no. Think that I don't know that I'm not ever gonna fly, never gonna quit it even if I try. Cause I don't wanna grow up, but who does? I know it's a redundancy because I can't say everything's gonna be the same, but everything comes with change. I know I got a problem, but who don't? Will I ever try to solve them? No one knows, not even me. Never know what the day will bring, but I just need to breathe. I think I'm alright. I spent so long trying to just roll with it. One day I'll be cool with what I got. Maybe not today, but either way I'll take the shot, we'll see. I wish that I could see from a bird's eye view. I wish that I could know what the fuck I'm supposed to do. I don't wanna grow up, but who does? I know it's a redundancy because I can't say everything's gonna be the same, but everything comes with change. I know I got a problem, but who don't? Will I ever try to solve them?